So Marty, are you excited for spring?
Oh boy, am I. Now I can go outside and enjoy the lovely weather. And to welcome spring, Ren's going to show you how to make this diorama. What you'll need is a box that folds, stuffing, artificial flowers, glue, scissors, designer box, material, and crepe or tissue paper. With your material, sew at the edges where the pencils indicate. Stuff your sewn up material. Sew the edge where the pencil indicates. Place your mini pillow in the designer box. Cut this edge off your folding box where the pencil indicates. After you fold your box out, poke holes in the top edge of your box to stick your flowers in. Apply glue on your box for your crepe or tissue paper. Apply paper on all sides of the box except for the bottom, and the back is optional. Go ahead and stick your flowers in the top edge of the box. So you can decorate your designer box any way you want. I designed mine with a butterfly Barbie, a bunny, and some artificial flowers to celebrate the arrival of spring. Hopefully you will enjoy this project. Don't forget to subscribe to Doble's Dolls.